Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. Prakash Raj, renowned actor and activist, exercised their voting rights in Karnataka today, showcasing their commitment to civic duty.
And respect everybody else. Please go back and respect everybody else.
My vote stands for my right, for my power to choose who represents me, who will be my voice in the parliament, because this is a vote for the country. A representative who will be in the parliament, who will represent your aspirations, who will make rules for the issues we are going through, and it is very, very important to choose a candidate, a representative whom you believe will. And I have voted for the candidate whom I believe, and the manifesto they have brought in, and for the change, because in today's world, in the last decade, the hatred what we are seeing, the divisive politics what we are seeing, I think we need the change, and I voted for the change.
Rahul Dravid, former Indian cricket captain, emerged from the polling booth after casting his vote. He encouraged fellow voters to participate actively in shaping the state's future.
Rahul Dravid being there at that polling booth. And there you have Mr. Dravid making his way out. Hopefully, we'll have a message or two for the media as well as he's coming out of the polling station. Right, let's cut across live right now. If he speaks in Kannada, I'll make sure to translate. But let's cut across live to his statement. For the people of Bengaluru and Karnataka, I hope all of you are listening.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ, ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ.
This is an opportunity for all of us to ensure that we celebrate our democracy and take part in it. Looking back at the police officers, he says they've done a great job as well.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಸಲ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್.
I hope that everyone comes out and we create a record of sorts as far as the voter turnout goes.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ.
You, the media, should send out a message to everyone, to the public, to come out, ensure adequate discussions are done on this so that voter turnout goes up.
Boys and girls, first time voters ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ.
There are a lot of first time voters.
Thank you.
And hopefully they'll all come out in large numbers.
One requesting the voters to come.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
Mr.
So your message to the young voters today, sir?
Yeah, I really request everyone to come and vote. I think it's a fantastic opportunity. We are given a great opportunity in our great country to be able to exercise our right to vote. And the arrangements are fantastic. Everyone is looking after us very well here. Everything is very smooth and peaceful. So please, everyone is very smooth and peaceful. So please come out here and vote. It will be fantastic. Bangalore should create a record this time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Quick message from Rahul Dravid there as he makes his way out, saying everyone should come out and cast their vote. We should create a...
Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.